All right, I'm standing on Aquaman. So, here's one group of centers with a very, very tippy top, another center. So I wore this yesterday. I did get wet, but not drenched wet. So with this slide, I call this a new version of splash waterfalls or something else. In other ways, you could argue back that this is a launch water coaster. So, go ahead, want to bypass? What's supposed to happen, you leave the station, going backwards, you go over this small airtime here. You go one time backwards, halfway up the tower. Go over the airtime here, go over through this station, and go up this spiral here. Go back down, go through the station, over this not left here, but this airtime here. Go all the way up to the very tippy top, and these sensors is what tells the pool to fill up with water quickly. It holds you up there for a moment as down here gets filled. Eventually it's going to let you go. Slide down, and this is where you get the bath splashing. Splash, 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 splash until you get to the airtime here. And then right on the other side of that here, that's where the brakes stop you before you get back to the station. Otherwise, the brakes are not going to work. You'll probably go flying up the spiral again. But the brakes are not doing a good job. Yeah, it's not.
Thank you.
And they got closed down for behind the scenes soon because this is supposed to be exclusive ride time for us this morning. So I just thought before I left this area, you might want to see on how water ride works.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to. They gotta open it soon.
Okay, that does it for this video of behind the scenes with Aquaman.